oyster mushroom with fishball curry. Okay. Okay, this is red curry, and you cook with oyster mushroom. Okay, I already prepped it there. The ingredient is going to be, see that? That's the oyster mushroom, red curry, coffee lime leaf, basil. This is fish ball. This is come from Japan, I think. This one that they make fish ball like Thailand. Everybody make fish ball, and then spur chili. We're going to cook with balancing the taste with sugar, the brown sugar, fish sauce, and of course coconut milk. This is the thick one. Okay. If you follow that, you will know what to do. This is the pan. It already have some oil in it. So what we do, we're going to turn on the heat. There, the heat coming out. So right now, so let it hot a little bit. We're going to put a see when the oil is hot a little bit. So you see right now you could kind of cold. Let's make it. You can hear some. You see bubbling, some sizzling sound. So what you want it, you want to put what you want. You want to fry the curry first to get aroma coming out. This is moving. See that? Okay. Aroma coming out. A little bit of coconut milk in there. Okay. Then you want to make a sauce. Make sure you break it down. All the curry. The curry within itself, curry paste is spicy. You see the color coming out, maybe too hot. Just heat it back up a little bit because this is small amount of the cook. Okay. Patch everywhere. That's why I like to cook it's higher hot. So because the mushroom will take time, so we're going to do the mushroom first. Okay. This is oyster mushroom. So you want to make sure that the oyster mushroom soak it up. The curry. So now we're going to make a little bit dry curry. So we're going to put, this is already pre-cooked. So all you have to do, cook it some more, a little bit longer. Make sure that it is totally cooked. Just fry like that. Okay. Right now you need a little bit more solid because you want, after you add this, you add more coconut milk. You want it to be like a curly like, not dry. Okay, this is just about right. So everything you do in my cooking class, or I give the lesson, is fast, quick, and easy. Okay. Now we're going to turn on more heat. Let it cook a little bit. Because we're going to raise it up the temperature to where the mushroom is cooked, and the fish ball is cooked. The fish ball is cooked, it will swallow up a little bit, so it can, when the heat go through the system. If the heat doesn't go through the system, I mean, they're not cooking yet. Because get a little bit bigger. You see that? Bigger and bigger. And that's what when you know it's totally cooked. So if it doesn't get bigger, so that means it's not cooked yet. Okay? Even though they're partially cooked, but somehow to make sure that get it a little bit smaller, a little bit cooked inside, so then you'll be okay. See, right now we haven't done anything, no balancing the taste, no nothing. So what we do is here right now, you can taste it right now because it's going to be salty because of the curry paste. Curry paste has a lot of good 20 to 25% of salt concentration because that's their natural preservative. Here, let me taste. It's a little bit dry, a little bit salty, but the taste is almost there. So I will put the chili in there because this is a hard vegetable. Okay. Now, kaffir lamb, you can squeeze like that. Because this doesn't take that long because everything is quick. Okay. See that you add the aroma and flavor in there. Now we can do balancing the taste a little bit thick salty. You taste it already salty. That's about half a tablespoon into 1 tablespoon, 2 tablespoons. Let's see how it goes. Okay, you make it like a late water, this kind of thing. If you have a lot of water cooking with mushroom, it becomes more like, it's difficult to control the taste inside the mushroom. Okay, because the mushroom have too much water, is not capable to soak it out. If you have a late water, it will do the interchange between the mushroom and the curry, and the flavor going in. That's about right. So, okay. So that's all you have to do. You see the thing is getting bigger, like this. Okay. The fish ball. I mean, it starts cooking to get bigger because when the temperature penetrates inside, so they get like bigger like that. Okay, that means it's cooked. But when it cool down, they will shrink it back down again. Okay, and the mushroom, make sure the mushroom is cooked because the mushroom doesn't take that long. So, see that? Because you don't want to cook too much, it's falling apart. But you don't want to be undercooked. See that? With no white in there, that is already cooked. Okay? That's all you have to do to see that everything getting baked. Now throw the basil in there. And that's what's for today. So this one, beat that a little bit. Put that one in there, take the stem out, turn off the heat. Okay, see that? You don't make it running water. So this is like it's partial water, you know, partial juice, partial sauce in there. This is what you want. If you go further than that, it's too much juice, not running water, the taste change because you want the mushroom to suck it in the juice. If you have a lot of juice, the equilibrium of the water inside and outside, no, they don't do anything even when it's hot. When they don't give up their water. So now they keep up in the water and suck it back in the curry. Okay? And now we're going to present the dish. Here you go. That is oyster mushroom with fishball curry. Okay? Bon appetit!